All right, greetings friends and welcome to K-pop cardio with Brittany. Today we'll be doing Superfly by 24K. This is going to be obviously a cardio class and a lot of single leg action as well. We have some lunges, we have some elbow knees, we have some single doubles, so you can practice on that for your other cardio classes. What I'm going to do is a quick breakdown of the moves, and then we'll just do the workout as it is, or the song as it is. And yeah, if you have to stop and repeat the beginning until you get the moves, that's fine. And then whenever you're ready to follow along, jump in. So starting off with, I guess the main thing that I really need to teach you is the power lunge sequence. So it's gonna go, we're gonna have two lunges, I guess two knee ups from a lunge. So here and here. On the second one, when you come down, you're actually come out and then switch legs. Yeah, so that leg that was originally up is now in the front. And then you're gonna repeat on the other side. Knee up, out, switch, knee up, out, switch. We'll do that like 8 times, I think. Yep. And that's gonna be the power lunge sequence. And then after that, we have fast elbow knees. So we're really just knees up. I call them elbow knees because I do want some arm action as well. If you're struggling with any of this, just do the lower body, but you're getting a lot more cardiovascular effect if you move the upper body as well. So the easiest version of the knees up, it would be just to do knees up. If you're ready, and I hope you are, go ahead and have some arm pumping as well. So when your leg is back, you reach up and they come in together, yeah, like an elbow knee motion. What I'll be doing for the video, and if you're ready for this, I encourage you to spice up your arms as well. I'll be doing basically an up and out version of that. So my hands will always come in to meet my knees, and they'll either go up or they'll go out, yeah? I think we do 16 of these or so, and then we switch, same thing other side, yeah? Yeah, everything we do on the other side as well. After that, we do the single double, which really just means right, left, right, or left, right, left. You'll see this in step classes and other cardio dance classes as well, maybe some bar classes, depending on your studio. So this is something you want to kind of get the hang of if you're interested in doing more cardio classes in the future. So it's just going to be, like I said, right, left, right, left, left. We'll do this for jogs in place. So it'll be dun, 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 dun. Left, right, right, yeah? So we're just, on the double, we're just going to hop on one foot, yeah? Switch, hop, switch, and hop, yeah? So we'll do that for some time, and if you're working on mastering your single double, just keep doing it just like that. If you'd like to spice it up, level yourself up, and what I'll be doing as well is I'll be doing that, and then I'll be switching to a straight leg version of that. So I'll have my legs kind of straight underneath me here. So I'll have basically the same single double motion, but I'll have my legs straight, and I'll just move myself that way. Requires a little bit more control and coordination for that one, so if you're ready for that, I encourage you to jump in. And then from there, we'll just repeat from the beginning, yeah? With our elbow knees, power lunges, etc. So I hope you're ready to have a great K-pop cardio workout, and let me know what you think. And if you have any requests for future videos, let me know as well. Let's work out.
그때 옆을 지나가는 girl 그 벽에 또한 눈을 두고 말한 girl